How to get Stockx discount code. Here is some top codes available right now. You can see here is various type of offers and discounts available right now in Stockx. You just need to go to coupon follow. You just need to search for couponfollow.com, and then you have to search here for Stockx, and you will find all the available discount or promo codes that's available right now for Stockx. And the second one is simply codes, where you can also find some Stockx promo codes and some verified codes. And in the retailme.com you will also get some interesting deals and promo codes or discount codes from here. You just need to find out the working and valid code from here. You just need to click on show coupon code that you want to use. You can find that details here by clicking on see details, and you can see it is most updated coupon codes according to the date here, and it is also updated code right now. And the latest code you will find in these three website. Also retailme.com, retailme.com also provide you some updated code. You just need to click on show coupon code, and you will find the details about the coupon code. And here is the coupon code that you can copy by clicking on this copy button. You can redeem it at Stockx, and also you can give the feedback about the coupon code. And the Stockx coupon codes, you will find it in simply codes, where you can simply click on view code button to view the codes and copy it, and you can then use it. And retailme.com you will find some codes and some deals. For deals you just need to click on get deals, and then you will redirect it to the Stockx page, where you can use the deal. You can enjoy the deal that offers from Stockx. And by clicking on the show code you will find the code from here, and by clicking on it you can copy that code, and you can find the expiry date here at the down and the code here. You can also use this code in your stockx.com by purchasing a product. When you are purchasing a product you can enter those codes. That's how you can find the top codes for Stockx. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.